welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a little unboxing from Louis Vuitton. So this is my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. So I will be also doing a little bit of like chit chat at what was going on with Louis Vuitton, because this morning I have read some sort of like a message through Instagram saying that there will be a shortage of Louis Vuitton boxes, and also there will be a delay for processing your orders. And well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, with this order that I have purchased, I just recently purchased, well, this is just a small item. So this is actually a Louis Vuitton card holder. And I'm not really worried that, you know, there would be no box inside, because this particular item is actually not delicate. But anyways, they mentioned that they're saying that there will be a shortage of Louis Vuitton boxes, that there's a possibility that you're actually getting an item or that is actually bigger, boxes that's actually bigger than your merchandise, or it's just like, you know, just could be snug or anything like that. But then again, with my experience with Louis Vuitton, it's like, you know, they always, I mean, I don't even remember if I have an item that was actually put in a box like that actually fits in perfectly, aside from probably from the small leather goods. But from other stuff that's a little bit bigger, they always put it in a larger box. Sometimes it's like extremely large. But anyways, well, if they would send your item with a larger box, it's okay, you know, I mean, as long as there's a box. But if they are started to ship an item without a Louis Vuitton box, I don't think, I am a little bit more concerned with that. Not because you know, at the end of the day, what are you going to do with a box? It is just a box. But what I'm saying here, what I'm trying to make a point is that, say for instance, if you're actually buying an item and have it gifted to somebody, and you know, you have it ship it right away to their address, and yeah, they would receive a package without a box, just the shipping box and the dust bag itself. I mean, I don't know, with that, and especially that's their very first Louis Vuitton item, I mean, personally, that would take away the luxury experience of the recipient or the person who would receive that, you know, because the thing is like the feeling of opening your boxes with the ribbon, and yeah, especially if it is your first luxury item, you know, that experience is actually even more precious, rather than just, you know, for me it doesn't really matter, because I have unboxed so many Louis Vuitton, and you know, to me it's no longer like so special like unboxing it. But anyways, to me it is important with having a Louis Vuitton box, this box. Why? Because most of the time Louis Vuitton ship their item, they just put it in this box without extra cushion. They just put it in a dust bag, they put your merchandise inside, and they put it on the box, just like that, without an extra cushion. But for me, if they are going to ship it, just the shipping box and the dust bag, I think I would be more concerned that, you know, there's a possibility that if your item gets damaged, or if your item is delicate, you know, there's a possibility that it would get damaged, as well as because these boxes actually helps protect the merchandise. So when you receive your item, I don't care if the shipping boxes got distorted or got destroyed, got ripped, or any dirt or any sort, but this one, you still have this box that helps protect your merchandise inside. That's why it is, personally, it is important for them to have it shipped with the Louis Vuitton box. That's why it is important. But then again, it is a matter of like having this price increases. I think this is the 3 times this year. So they could have just anticipate that there might be some shortage, or, you know, figure it out that, you know, this would happen. But having price increases, and I think the some of the goods are like ridiculously overpriced, and then you end up not getting boxes, when I don't think that is acceptable in my own opinion. It's because it just takes away the luxury feeling to it. Like, you know, I mean, at the end of the day, boxes doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, what matters is your product, your merchandise is in great quality. It's the quality actually, you know, is the most important. But then again, the boxes itself, a lot of people say, well, I don't really care about the box, I'll just toss it in the trash. I don't really, but I kept my boxes personally because I paid for that. That is part of it. And also, they are really nice boxes. And also, yeah, we all do have our own preference. Let's say you go to the store, there's no boxes, and also they only have a bag. It would be a little bit awkward buying a $1,500 or $2,000 purse, and they just put it in a dust bag like that. It just feels a little bit like, I don't know, I personally feel like it just takes away the luxury feel to it, guys. I don't know what is your take on that, but I personally believe that, especially those items that were purchased online, I think these boxes are very important to help protect the merchandise. And if I would be at the store, if they just put it in a dust bag and in a shopping bag like that, then I think it's all right. It's okay, because it is not my first purchase anyways. But for somebody that save their money, it is their first time, it is, as a gift, I think it is important to get those. But now that with the crisis that we're on, I have, with my purchases with Louis Vuitton, it came with no receipt. Sometimes there is no ribbon. I mean, that is acceptable. That is understandable. But for no boxes, I don't think, I'm still really not sure about that, if they're going to take that away. So anyways, so this is my item. And so guys, this is actually a card holder. So a few months ago, I purchased a Louis Vuitton card holder. It's in a reverse monogram. I waited for that for a long time. And for some reason, it was defective. I mean, the craftsmanship for that, the stitching was totally off. I was so disappointed because I waited for such a long time for them to come up with a reverse monogram in a card holder. And I placed an order. I didn't get a replacement for that because they told me that it has been sold out, and I wasn't able to get a hands at it. And also, I think I waited for so many weeks for that one. I decided, no, I'm just going to cancel it, and end up getting this one instead, because this is also it's also one of my favorite color from Louis Vuitton. So here's the box. Oh, surprisingly guys, talking about no box, no ribbon, shortage of boxes and stuff. Surprisingly, it's actually wrapped with the ribbon, beautifully wrapped. And also, this is the first one in so many purchases that I had. The first one I got this card. I kind of missed this one. I know that, it's just a part of it though. So, okay, it also comes with the receipt. Yeah, it comes with pretty much comes with everything. Yeah, this one. But, yeah, there is really a problem with them, because usually this comes with a really nice paper, and then this exchanges and returns, it was actually photocopied, and it was not yeah, this is actually a photocopied thing, which is strange. Well, it's understandable with the shortage that they have on. It doesn't really matter, but this is what I got. It was beautifully wrapped. So let's open this, guys. I'm so excited with this one. Okay. So here it is. This is a Louis Vuitton card holder. Oh, wow. So this one fits in perfectly right there with the small leather goods. So this is a Louis Vuitton card holder, and this one I got in fuchsia pink. It's so beautiful. Wow, very nice. So I think everybody is already hold on. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. I was so concerned about this one. The last time I got was the stitching on the corner were unfinished, and it was just so terribly done, guys. It was terribly done. But this one I got, it's so beautiful. It's in fuchsia. Look at the glazing right at the corner. It was very well done, very well made, so intact. And then the fuchsia color, very lovely. That's the side. And this one has a 1 card slot, yeah, at the front and the back, and also right here in the middle. Yeah, very tight though. So this is the code, yeah. And also this one is made in, also, wow, this is still brand new. I could hardly like open. So this one is made, okay, this one is made in Spain. I don't know if you guys could see that, but this one is made in Spain. So I have, okay, wow, it's really nice. Look at the opening right here. It's really, really, is that has a glazing? I don't think that's a glazing though. Yeah, it's very well made, very well done. Yeah, I love the color. Very, very nice. I'm actually a fan of this color, guys, because I have several of these color in my collection, and I've been wanting to get a card holder, just this particular card holder. I am a fan of the Tigerama collection. That is actually a really, really nice card holder, and coin and card holder as well. This one I didn't, this is my very first card holder. Really nice. Yeah, I could actually tell right there on the camera that the glazing was perfectly done. I could see it right there. And also with, I have also some of my collections here. These are some of my yeah, some of my fuchsia color. So yeah, so this is my card holder that I just got, and this one is my most favorite. I think this one has already been discontinued. This is a multi-cards, and this is my most favorite among all the card holders that I have. This has an accordion type where you can actually put a lot of cards, and this was the price point for this is really affordable and actually really worth your money. I don't know why they discontinued this one, but this is by far my most favorite card holder of all time. The color is beautiful, very lovely. I also have this is my agenda, and also, yeah, this is also a fuchsia, and also this is for my Felicie, and it's also in fuchsia, and this is for my Never Fool. And also this is also for my Felicie as well. And yeah, they are really nice and gorgeous colors. And so far this would have been a perfect addition to my collection. And I don't know, how was this one? Yeah, I think, yeah, pretty much like very well made so far. I didn't see any like with the stitching wise. Yeah, it's very well done. I didn't see any sort of I didn't see anything that started to like, yeah, the one that I previously got was started to unravel, but this one is, yeah, this is beautifully done. So I am just so excited. This is just like a small unboxing, guys. So anyways, that is just my little unboxing for today, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next unboxing. Be safe. Bye.